I think it's important for minority creatives to work, especially in my field, because it gives us a voice. I came from a community that was very diverse, and giving a voice to those people and sharing stories is what's most important, I think. As minorities, we really strive to do that for the people who we connect with in those ways. I'm Zeltzin Contreras-Gomez. I'm from Round Lake, Illinois, and I'm graduating with a bachelor's degree in visual communication technology. My parents have always told us education is the biggest thing that they can give us. So I really kind of honor my parents in everything that I do for all their sacrifices that they've made for us. So being those first generation students, I'm hoping that when my nephew or when my little cousins start to get to the age where they get to go to college, that they see that it's possible, and that even though we come from a small town, being able to leave and accomplish great things is possible. Nobody from back at home came to Bowling Green, so I really didn't know anybody as I was coming in here. I think it was kind of hard for me to find a place where I can kind of express my cultural background. The Latino Student Union really was the place where I found my belonging, where I found my home away from home. And the Latino Student Union's big thing is we are a family, and I really felt that as soon as I walked in. I have a huge sense of pride with being part of the Latino Student Union, not only in what I'm doing on campus, but in my culture as well. I'm able to share my stories, the stories of my families, the stories of other students through the Latino Student Union, and really help other people understand more about our culture and our stories here. I think the biggest thing that I hope to accomplish by being the president of Latino Student Union is being that support system for students. When I see a student come to me for a question that has nothing to do with the organization, I know that I feel like I'm doing my job for them. I have a great sense of pride from getting my education from a public institution like BGSU. I've been able to learn with students who've come from different backgrounds, different senses of community, different experiences, and we all get to connect in a way and really strive for our future and have a great experience here learning. After I graduate, I hope to create public good by going back to my community and really helping them. I think it's very important, especially coming from a small town, that you support your small town and always remember where you came from. So going back and serving my community where I grew up is something that I find very important and something that I look forward to doing. I'm the person who can go and share my experiences and share the work that I've done. So with the ability that I have to have a voice, I think it's important to use it for something that's important.